When a part breaks, you used to wait. Now you don't. The K1 sets itself up. No setup, no manual. The same precision the factory uses. Desktop size. Ideas on paper? Make it real. The K1 reads the material, and the app writes the toolpath on its own. Picks the right tool and starts shaping. A true, powerful machine that meets all your needs. Some ideas begin as memories. A place, a moment, a shape worth keeping. Now, just waits for a prompt. True 5-axis. Any shape, any materials. Pro-grade making, built for everyday spaces. From outsourced to in-house in hours. From sketch to reality in seconds. From imagination to orders in days. K1 turns your workbench into a place where real things are made.